Hey, what's up guys? Samsung has released another quick video teaser for the upcoming Galaxy S9 and S10 Plus, this time focusing on the camera in its entirety. The previous promo video teased the new slow motion and low light abilities of the Galaxy S9 camera, but this one hints at better selfie videos, some sort of Snapchat like animation effects like the ones the Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus already have, flash and low light photography. The word Reimagined suggests that the Samsung's new flagship cameras will be much more than just refined, but will be completely different. Given that the S8 already had a very capable camera, this could be properly exciting.
Get the party.